The newly remastered T540 XP Mark III comes equipped with Husqvarna's latest innovation in starting technology, AutoTune 3.0. By monitoring engine and air temperature, the starting procedure is simplified. Simply purge, put the saw in the start position, and pull the start cord. Professionals no longer need to worry about different starting procedures for hot or cold starts. All Husqvarna saws that come equipped with AutoTune have an electronic feature built into the carburetor that automatically tunes the air-fuel mixture to ensure the saw is always running at its peak performance. AutoTune automatically adjusts for changes in temperature, humidity, elevation, and fuel quality. AutoTune 3.0 is a game changer, enabling your Husqvarna chainsaw to operate at maximum efficiency with minimum downtime. Want to learn more about how to tune AutoTune? Check out our How to Tune AutoTune video in the course library.